Here, welcome to the Knowledge Hub. In this video, we're going to cover an important topic: how to transcribe voice message in WhatsApp. First thing first, head to WhatsApp application, tap on the three dot button, go to settings, scroll down, you'll find chat. In the chat settings, there is a toggle switch beside voice message transcripts. Turn this toggle switch on. You need to choose language. I want to choose English. There are 4 different language options: Spanish, English, Portuguese, Russian. You need to click setup now. It may require a few minutes, so wait a little bit. Download is completed. Now go back to chat option, go to random number, record a voice message, press on the microphone icon, long press on the video, long press on the recorded message, tap on the three dot button, click transcribe. Transcribing is working. Yeah, see, transcription is that easy in WhatsApp. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.